What's up, guys? I might sound out of breath, but I just jacked my car in the air, that's why. Well, you know the deal. It's that time again. 5,000 miles oil change, and yeah, let's get started. I mean, it's nothing too crazy, it's just simple. It's got my Mobil 1 532 oil motor. I usually use Pennzoil, but unfortunately they ran out of Pennzoil, so I'm just using Mobil 1. But I'm all ready. You know, oh, that's not okay. You know, safety first. I want to make sure this thing don't roll back. You know, I already got my jack in the air. Got my little jack stands ready to go too, just in case, you know, extra support. And yeah, and crazy enough, this car only hit like 50,000 miles. Barely? Let me see. Barely 50,000, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, my bad. I'm sorry if my car's dirty, dusty, and all that. I moved it, but I just never had time to clean because I've been busy lately. But yeah, my car's barely hit 50,000 miles. It's time to change it already because I think last time I changed it was 45,000 miles. So yeah, I need to start changing it. And damn, I'm out of bed. My bad. So yeah, let's see how things starts off. You know, do a simple base. You know, jack it up, drain out the oil, change the oil filter, put back the new oil, put in the drain. Never mind. You guys will see her now. Let's get it. Don't mind the noise in the background, but we finally got the beauty cover off. Now it's gonna be much easier to get to the oil filter. The oil pan. So this is my oil pan right here. So I think I need like I don't remember the exact size of the socket. Probably like a 13 or 16. I don't know, around there. But yeah, let me get my socket. Let me get my oil drain pan ready. If I don't make a big mess, because last time I changed my oil here, I made a humongous mess, and it took a while to clean. So yeah. Fucking A, bro. Damn it, it's not getting filo no more. It's not moving. Really, bro? Damn it. I need to change that. Okay, guys, update on what's going on. So, the oil pan, the drain plug, this thing, which what I just find out that I don't know why, I just barely found out. Well, on the edges, they're just basically flat. So even though I put in the right socket and everything, it's not gripping. You can see right here, like focus. Come on, focus. Well, you see this, like it's not gripping at all. So there's no way in hell I'll be able to take it out right now. So that means I need to buy me a new oil drain plug because that thing's not gonna come off. I need to find like a better way to take it off. I mean, the only way I could just drain my oil, the way that I'm seeing it right now, is like to take out the whole oil pan. I mean, the whole oil pan. But these are gonna be more of a pain to take out, I believe. And how you say, and I don't want to make a humongous mess, so I'm just gonna change my oil another day and just wait, order this part right here, try my best to take this off, and then I mean, there's nothing I could do right now. So I took a fat out right here. See, even I put the correct size, it's not gripping. I try to put a smaller size, it's not gonna grip at all. I need to get like some pliers and just yank the hell out of it. This freaking sucks, but what can you do? You win some, you lose some. So today I'm not gonna change my oil. Another day I will. Just right now it's not a good day. I just have to order the part. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'm back. I tried everything. I mean, I was getting so frustrated just to do a freaking oil change because the freaking oil drain pan, whatever it is called, like it's all rounded up. It has no grip. It's all stripped down. It's all bone. So I literally had to go to AutoZone and get me these. This should hopefully help me take the thing out now because oil change is not that hard. But today it just got harder. Okay, let's do it. Oh shit, here we go. I got it. Yes, finally! I know. Finally, guys, the moment of truth. Alright, so I'm back. I've got the new oil drain plug. Originally I went to AutoZone, but they gave me the wrong size, so I had to return back. They didn't have the size, so I just decided to return it and went to the dealer. And I thought at the dealer I was gonna pay like at least like $10 to $15 just for this, but luckily I have a homie that works there at the dealer and he gave me a discount and I bought it for $6. So I'm glad. I mean, $2 over from AutoZone, but I can't complain. He really hooked me up with it. I'm happy. Paris Chrysler dealership, whatever. Paris Valley dealership, whatever. They hooked me up. I'm happy, so I'm gonna put this bad boy back on. No, I don't think so. Screw it. There you go, the old filter right here. See how dirty that thing is? That thing is dirty. So basically, I'll hook it, boom. And there goes the old filter. And it always comes with this little gasket right here. You always take that off because you don't want it right there, it's old. Got the new one. Just insert the new one in. Make sure you hear that click. Or tap, whatever. Ready to go. Yep, it's in there good. All right, just a little tug. There we go. All set. That's pretty much it. I'm just taking her out for a drive. She's a happy noodle right now. She got some fresh, clean, new oil, and I know she's loving it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I have nothing else to say. I mean, overall, it was a successful oil change. Some complications here and there. I never had an oil change that was this complicated before, but hey, I made it happen. New oil, she's running good, she's happy, and that's all that matters. So till the next one, guys, peace.